Got let's see here. Malcolm Gladwell. Base, we're on box 1.5. Say my video quit. So box 1 had Starling Marte jersey. Had a plate of George Springer, yellow for the Astros. We'll miss box 1 and a couple boxes of pack 2. Will Myers, Padres. And a Freddie Freeman for the Braves. So that was your hits in box number 1. We haven't had anything in box number 2. For some reason it quit. My video didn't record the first box. So starting box number 2. Got a Reed. What's the flag? Mini for the Yanks, Mark Teixeira. Base. So our YouTube will be lacking box 1. 10th anniversary of Mini Lords of Olympus, the Muses. And a Mini of Iwakuma. Base. He does have stuff in here. I thought I saw a couple of them, a couple of base ones, when I was sorting through last night's stuff. Got a Cueto, Cincinnati Reds. Mini for the Giants of Juan Casilla. Santiago Casilla. Boy, huh? Oh, that's kind of cool. Got another bat card. I think we hit the same bat card last night, too. So at least our first case had a bunch of duplicates between yesterday afternoon, last night, and this afternoon. Mets, David Wright. David Wright. For the Mets. Mini of Rackham. What's the flag? Base. Got an Angels medley of David Freese. David Freese. Got a mini of Darren Rovell. Mini of Washington's Max Scherzer. Got a mini of, let's see here, Daniel Norris, Padres. Derek Norris. Daniel Norris is pitcher of Blue Jays. Derek Norris. Got a mini of Danny Hechavarria, the Marlins. Milwaukee Brewers, Alcides Escobar. 10th anniversary. Got a mini of Mrs. Kennedy. Jersey card. Mini jersey. Toronto Blue Jays, Aaron Sanchez. Aaron Sanchez. Base. Got a Dodgers mini, Yimi Garcia. Mini Mets of Travis Dearn. Base. Mini for the Mets, Bartolo Colon. Mini for the Indians, Michael Brantley. Base. Mini Padres, Matt Kemp. Base. I know. They are. Still no auto yet today. Jersey card, Detroit Tigers. So two boxes without an auto. Jonas Cespedes. Detroit Tigers. Minnie McCutcheon for the Pirates. Base. Box 2. Got a mini of the Crested Carcara. Base. Finishing box 2, halfway done, Allen and Ginter. And then, like I said, we'll start a fresh case of it tomorrow. We're cracking a case number 2. Oh, we got an exclusive mini parallel instead of a box topper. I have not noticed any minis that have been numbered yet. Not noticed any yet. Although these are all numbered to 40. These minis are numbered to 40. First one, Washington National, numbered to 40. Got Denard Spawn. Say these ones are numbered to 40. Denard's fan. Washington. Next one, you've got a New York Met. Michael Kadire. Michael Kadire. Number 40. This was the auto we hit last night. And Practical Jokers, number 40. Brian Quinn. Brian Quinn. Got Chicago Cubbies. Chris Coughlin. Cubs. And finishing your mini exclusive pitcher for the St. Louis Cardinals, Adam Wainwright. All numbered to 40. Adam Wainwright. Box 3, Brewers Mini, Matt Garza. Got a mini of Hermes. Mini for the Chicago White Sox. Cabrera. Melky Cabrera. Chicago White Sox. Got a mini of Addison Russell. Cubbies. Got a mini 10th anniversary of D.B. Cooper. D.B. Cooper. Base. Oh, cool mini. D.B. Cooper. Cincinnati's Jay Bruce. Base. White Sox mini Micah Johnson. Base. Angels mini David Freese. 10th anniversary Angels Gary Matthews. Dodgers Adrian Gonzalez. Base. Got a mini of J.D. Martinez. 10th anniversary of Henry Rodriguez. Oakland Athletics. Mini of the California Condor. Still no auto. Mini jersey. Texas Rangers. Roofnid Odor. Texas Rangers. Base. Wasn't it last year though, Allen and Ginter, you had autos were average, what, one every other case? Or one every 3 or 4 boxes? Ichiro in a Marlins uniform. I don't think they were every box last year. Got a Braves mini of Mike Fulton's. Base with another Ichiro, a big Ichiro in a Marlins uniform. Got a game used memorabilia, or we'll say TV1 memorabilia. Got a Brian Quinn. Mini of Mr. Flagler. Base. Texas Rangers mini Mitch Moreland. Base. Texas Rangers mini of Leonis Martin. Base. Mini for the Marlins, Christian Yelich. For the Marlins. Mini of Jonathan Scope, Orioles. Mini of Mrs. Lane. Gosh, another jersey card. Seattle Mariner. King Felix. Felix Hernandez for the Mariners. Mini Diamondbacks, Aaron Hill. Base. Phillies mini Maikel Franco. Base. Got a Giants of gotta guess first name. Santiago Casilla. You're right here. Mini for the Marlins. Thanks, man. Jose Fernandez. Got a Cole Calhoun for the Angels. Last pack, box number 3. Got a Dallas Keuchel. Astros. Base. Box 3 have. Yep, we did have 3 jerseys in box 3. Box 4. Still no autos today. That's like garbage. Box 4. Hey, come on, box 4. Box number 4. Pride of the People, St. Basil's Cathedral. Although our first case between yesterday and today, I haven't been that impressed. Got a Polanco, Pirates. Got let's see here, Mrs. Roosevelt. Oakland's, let's see here, Ike Davis. Cubbies mini of Mets, Walmingers. Mets. Mini Indians, Michael Brantley. 10th anniversary, David Freese, St. Louis Cardinals. Base. Mini Russell Martin, Dodgers, 10th anniversary. Mini of Nick Castellanos, Tigers. Mini for the Rays, Steven Souza. Base. Mini for the Rays, Desmond Jr. Base. Goes back. Hey, we got an auto. Finally, we got an auto. First, though, you got Leonis Martin. Although it's not a baseball auto, it's not numbered. Another Impractical Joker, Sal Volcano. Sal Volcano. Of course, man. I did get your email too about the that post office stuff. Boston's David Ortiz. Base. Mini Nationals, Jason North. Mini for the Mets, Lucas Duda. Base. Mini of Michael Kadire, Mets. Pinstripe jersey. Pinstripe, Colorado Rockies. Nolan Arenado. Pinstripe for the Rockies. Nolan Arenado. Mini of Mrs. Cleveland. Base. Detroit Tigers mini Jonas Cespedes. Base. Mini of the Madagascar Hissing Cards. 10th anniversary of Chase Heatley, Padres. Base. Oakland's Centigrade. Base. Many of Mr. Rockefeller. Base. A New York Mets mini Lucas Duda. Base. Another relic. Another Impractical Joker. Joe Gatto. Joe Gatto relic. Give me 2 seconds. I gotta go to the front door. I'll be right back. Thanks, man. How's it going? Joe Gatto. So they're heavy. At least this case was heavy on the Practical Joker stuff. Got Zach Lowe. Base. Got a mini of Buck 65. Mini for the Cubs, Mike Alt. Base. Mini Surfer of Lakey Peterson. Base. And finishing mini of the green striped darner. Green striped darner. All base. So there's your Allen and Ginter last 4 boxes. Even though our YouTube will miss the first box. Let's see, those are those minis. More jerseys, the plate, jersey. Minis, these are all numbered to 40 is our special mini exclusive pack. You've got Adam Wainwright, Cardinals. Got Chris Coughlin, the Cubbies. Brian Quinn. Got Michael Kadire, the Mets. And Denard Spawn, the Nationals. We had a yellow printing plate of George Springer for the Astros. Your jersey cards. Practical Jokers, Joe Gatto. Got Nolan Arenado, pinstripe for the Rocks. Felix Hernandez, the Mariners. Got Brian Quinn and Practical Jokers. Got, let's see here, Roughneck Odor, the Rangers. Yoenis Cespedes, Tigers. Aaron Sanchez, the Blue Jays. Got David Wright, bat card. Got Starling Marte, the Pirates. Got a Will Myers for the Padres. Got a Freddie Freeman for the Braves. And only one auto, it was Impractical Jokers, go figure, Sal Volcano. So we'll get this up on YouTube, we'll get to the post office, and then we'll see you guys in a couple hours tonight with Finest Baseball, NT Football, and some more Quest.